The all-new 2027 Kia Seltos features Telluride-inspired styling, a larger body, and a longer wheelbase than its predecessor. It also introduces available flush door handles, a panoramic sunroof, and up to 8.1 inches of ground clearance. The lineup offers three powertrain choices: a 2-liter engine, a turbocharged 1.6-liter engine producing 190 horsepower, and a new hybrid powertrain that will be detailed closer to launch. Standard technology includes dual 12.3-inch displays, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while available features include Kia's ccNC system, streaming services, and a 5-inch climate display. The 2027 Seltos also adds expanded driver assistance features, including standard Forward Collision Avoidance Assist with Junction Turning and available surround view monitor and blind spot view monitor. The 2-liter and 1.6-liter models are available now, while the hybrid version is scheduled to arrive later this year.